Hello and welcome to infotechinformer. In this video, you will learn the complete procedure for GRN swap from GokuMarket to GokuMarket and GokuMarket to external Ethereum wallet. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before beginning the swap process, you should have these three things ready. Number 1. You should have your GRN coins transferred to GokuMarket account. Process to transfer is given in description. Number 2. You should have done your GokuMarket account KYC verified. And number 3. Ethereum wallet ready to store new GRN tokens. Now, for storing new GRN token, you have two choices. You can keep your new GRN coins on GokuMarket, or you can store them on external Ethereum wallet like MetaMask, Trust, or Atomic Wallet. If you want to keep your coins on GokuMarket, then you don't need to set up any external Ethereum wallet, cause GokuMarket has already set up a new GRN Ethereum address for your account. If you want to store your GRN coins on other Ethereum wallets like MetaMask, Trust Wallet or Atomic Wallet, then you have to set up a wallet and add GRN ERC20 token to that wallet manually. To set up an Ethereum wallet, kindly watch my previous videos. Link is given in the description. GokuMarket or external wallet, choice is yours. So, after getting these three things ready, you can proceed for GRN swap. First of all, keep your email ID open. Now, let's go to official website of GokuMarket, which is www.gokumarket.com. Now, log in with your email ID and password. Here you can see the account is KYC verified. Now, click here on Funds. You can see your old GRN coin balance here. Now, click on Swap. It will open some steps to do the swap. Here is a direct link for GRN swap website. Click on the link, it will open swap page on official GreenPower website. Now, scroll down to the token bridge. Select Exchange, GokuMarket, and click on Continue. Now, enter your GokuMarket email ID here. Or copy-paste it from GokuMarket website, like this. Now, click on Confirm. An OTP will be sent to your email ID. Open your email and copy the OTP. Now, go to GRN tab and paste the OTP here. After entering OTP, click on Continue. Now, you have to enter your Ethereum wallet address here. Now, you got two choices. First one is keeping coins at GokuMarket. If you want to keep your GRN coins at GokuMarket, then copy-paste the Ethereum address from GokuMarket account. For that, go to GokuMarket tab. Now, click on Copy. Come back to GRN tab and paste the address here. And click on Continue. The second choice is transferring your coins to external Ethereum wallet. For that, you should have your external wallet Ethereum address on PC or laptop. To get the Ethereum address from smartphone to PC or laptop, simply open your Ethereum application on smartphone. Tap on GRN. Tap on Receive. Tap on Address to copy it. Now, go to your email application. Compose a new mail. Enter your email address here. Subject: New GRN Ethereum wallet address. Paste the Ethereum address here. Now send the mail. Now, open email on PC and copy Ethereum address. Go to GRN tab and paste the Ethereum address here. Then, click on Continue. Now, click on Request Swap. Now check your email. You will receive an email containing GRN deposit address and memo. Copy the memo from here. Now go to GokuMarket tab. Click on I have token bridge memo. Paste the memo here. Now, enter the amount, that is, number of GRN coins you want to swap. Now, click on Swap. You will receive an OTP on email. Go to Email. Copy the OTP. Go back to GokuMarket and paste the OTP here. Now, click on Swap. Your swap request will be submitted successfully now. After some time, you will receive an email from GreenPower that your GRN deposit was well received, and based on your deposit time, how much tokens you will receive. That's it. The GRN swap process is now completed. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Please write your queries and suggestions in comment box and subscribe this channel to stay updated with latest technologies.